we have the Magneto back on the seat from Greg. He's done an amazing job, Ron. I captured a couple of notes while he was talking about it, and please let me know if I missed anything. But the Magneto, what was the root cause of the problem? He said that the paper condenser, or the capacitor, had failed. He also found that there were some broken wires in the armature and that there were cracks in the varnish coating as well. So it had never been opened up before. So he's left the patina essentially intact. He's given it a good clean inside, obviously, and out. He's fitted this wonderful bumblebee wire that I really like, and this Lodge-style red cap. This is watertight. He said there were some potential problems with that old clip that it had. And so he's fitted in a new old stock cable clip. So just to give you a sense of the level of detail that he goes to, which is really cool here. I like that very much. So he's done everything. He's done an oil seal. He said the bearings were actually good. He's cleaned them up because I think that was a comment in the video that the bearings looked like they might be shot, but he said they were actually okay. He's fitted what they call a new self-healing capacitor or a condenser for impulse loading. He has got a new rewound armature in the body. He's got a new points plate, new points, and he set the gap correctly. He test ran this for about 3 to 4 hours, and then he took it all apart again, and then he checked it for arcing. It was remagnetized and then retested, and then here it is. So it's ready to go back on the bike.
Great. And that's what he told me the other day.
Brilliant.
Yeah, we went through it.
Brilliant.
So yeah, it's complete.
So then the speedo, again, took a couple of notes, not as many on this. He said the drive center was very stiff. That would support our theory, because I ran this up on the drill. It was super stiff. I could see it sticking. But the cable was okay, and we've got a new drive at the back. But I noticed that the old cable is actually twisted. It's like twisted at the end, which surprised me actually. I thought maybe this would break before the cable, because this is a long cable. My understanding is it's twisted so much, it's actually twisted the cross-section of the cable. So it was all gummed up. He's thoroughly cleaned it. It's come up really nice, as you can see. He's reset the counters to 0 and the trip meter to 0. He fitted new 3/32 of an inch split pins inside. He's also fitted this new hardware as well, because it had some like homemade hardware in there. That's that. And then he calibrated it, of course. He has a special machine that he calibrates using this reference number down here. I don't know if you've seen that, it's fantastic. And then we have a brand new speedo cable to go on the bike as we put this back together again. You think of anything else?
No, that's complete. The lubrication had been put on 60 years ago. So it's all been cleaned and lubricated.
Brilliant. Okay, so we'll get started.
The pros and cons of that.
It's really simple.
Your battery boils.
Great.
It fits and nothing. I haven't undo the bloody.
Now you do have to be a little bit careful because it will slip.
Well, yeah.
One right here.
I'm going to washer on it just to hold the wire. I'm going to wash on it.
Yeah. It's well, they're kits. You know, I buy a kit. What degrees are we showing now, Mike?
38.
38.
Right. It's a full revolution is a tenth.
Yeah, it locks the crank.
Okay.
Still didn't move it. Oh, it's doing something.
Did you get it?
I think so. Let's try again. Right, you need to push that in nice and square.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
Got it? It seems to be moving. Yeah, it's coming loose.
Good, 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 good.
So does this qualify for garage crawl?
It is moving, Rick. It is. It is moving quite.
Okay.
Actually, you got. It's good. It's good. There you go. Right. I want to see what this is touching on the back.
Oh, look at that there. Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's chewed up. Oh yeah. Now there's a pawl there.
Oh, look at that.
That isn't supposed to be there like
Oh
that.
my gosh.
So hang on. Let's have a
Look
look.
at this, Jeff.
You found the problem?
Yes. Well, sort of. Yeah, it's kind of chewed up the pawl.
Oh, wow.
It's chewed up that. It's chewed
Oh.
up this as well.
Something came adrift. Oh, the little pole must have.
Yeah, the little pawl here looks a little chewed up.
This is
That-
terribly
that is
chewed up.
Chewed up.
And that's damaged there very
Yeah.
badly.
And that's steel. This is aluminum. So
And look at that bushing as well, because that's damaged on the end. Yeah. And then we're seeing some particles in there. Looks like we've been panning for gold. And then you found some shards. And then there's the pole that's broken as well. Yeah. Yeah. So to summarise, we have a problem with the gearbox. We've got a bushing that's damaged there. We've got a pole that's broken and it's chewed up the inner cover. And so we're going to just take all this gearbox out because we want to double check on the lay shaft bearing. And so this primary has to come off again. So take this all off and then remove the clutch that allows us to disengage the gearbox on the other side.
That's the same deal. The end result
Sealed this so well, Ron, that now it pains me to take it off. But oh, got it, Jeff. I got it. Yeah, it's a little tight.
All right, so a little unscrew and then pull out.
Yeah. These gears actually look pretty good, Jeff.
Yeah, I didn't see any other damage on them.
No. I got it. The last one. Yep, okay. And that's the infamous.
That's the bearing. How does it feel?
It feels good, actually. It feels fine. Good morning. I am back in my garage and I'm just inspecting some of these parts after that very interesting experience over at Jeff's place. We discovered that we simply couldn't move the wheel backwards, I think it was. It was just locked up and we needed to try and rotate the wheel in order to set the timing. And so everything came to a full stop, not only just the wheel. We took the gearbox apart and here's what we found. Yeah, there's a lot of damage here to this inner casing, and the culprit is this little devil here. This is a broken pawl, and I hope you can see it, but essentially it's that piece there that has broken off completely, and that's the pole that engages here on the kickstart shaft, and as a result we think got lodged in there somehow and caused all this damage and actually locked the whole thing up, and that's why this kickstart shaft or the kickstarter was not returning. And so what have we done? We've taken everything apart. I have ordered new parts already, including the lay shaft bearing, which actually seemed okay, but once you pressed your fingers on it, it did feel a little rough. So nevertheless, we were so far into the gearbox that we've ordered a new lay shaft bearing, the outer bearing here, which I will remove shortly, the pawl obviously, a new first gear as well because the bushing is damaged and I couldn't find the separate bushing, and actually I wasn't sure the condition of these teeth here as well. The outer teeth look great, but I went ahead and ordered a new first gear anyway, and then some other parts, and so I'll go through, clean this all up. Got a new gasket obviously. I'll drop the bearing out of there, clean this all up. I'm going to try and see if I can work on this a little bit just to tidy this up. It should still be okay. The other thing here is there's some damage to the kickstarter shaft, so I'm going to just file this a little bit, make that a little nicer, and then we'll try and put it back together on the bike. I'm going to try and remove the pin that holds this pawl in place. Oh, simple. I wasn't sure if that was pressed in. Yeah, there's actually a little bit of damage on both sides. Great news, all the parts have just arrived from Steadfast Cycles, and some of the parts, as you can see, they're Andover Norton, so terrific. The main pieces, of course, are the first gear with the new bushing already pre-fitted. We've got the new pole, we've got the bearings, a gasket, another little gasket that I forgot to get last time anyway, and a couple of other things. And that's it. So the next job will be to try and refit these on the bike back down at Jeff's place. So thank you as always for all your comments, and I'll see you again next week.